How to submit a debit card dispute on Citizens Bank. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Citizens Bank. Enter your login credential as in your user ID and the password. Once you've entered, click on Login at the bottom of the screen. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to One Deposit Checking at the very top and then move into Transaction Details or History. Once you're in this page, click on Dispute Transaction. Tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Now read the question and choose the answer, and then click on Next. It asks, did you make this purchase? Click on No and then click on Next. Well, you can choose more transaction to dispute if needed, and then tap on Next. You have to confirm your contact information, and then tap on Begin Dispute. Choose a specific option and then tap on Next. Now for the confirmation, in submitting the dispute, tap on Submit Dispute at the bottom. And there you go, you have successfully submitted the debit card dispute. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.